So I'm going to start with applying some washi tape on my eyes. Washi tape is not as sticky as normal Scotch tape, so that's why it's better to apply it near your eyes, because you don't want to pull too much on your eyes and get wrinkles and all that good stuff. Bad stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Very excited about today's look. It's really cool actually, even though I say so myself. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be working with just pretty much what I have in my makeup box drawer thing. For example, I have like brushes in this. I made this myself, by the way. That's super cute. And then I have another shoebox full of palettes, sort of thing. So we're gonna get started with some concealer, because otherwise it's not gonna stick. So I'm gonna put concealer all over the lid. This is the Annabelle Perfect Concealer. I really like this one because it's quite tacky and really like the makeup, the eyeshadow really grips onto the eyelid. So that is what I like. Just gonna bounce it a little bit. There we go. And then I'm gonna use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, Dark Magic, and use this color over here to just kind of not this part. I'm just gonna like set the crease and above the crease. I'm just gonna set that with that color because that's where we really want to be able to blend. So I don't want the makeup to really stick there, because I really want to blend it as much as possible. So that's just where I'm gonna put this color, which is called Poof, by the way. Poofty poofed. This color is in many palettes. I'm sure you can find it in whatever palette you might have. Alright. Already have a little bit of fallout there. I'm just getting started and there's already fallout. Jeez. Okay, then I am going to grab a blending brush. I think it was this one I used. This is just a really random, no name brush. Cause I don't care. Okay. Okay, this is the Beauty Scene palette. A Beauty Scene palette. So basically it goes like that. There's like lip glosses in there too, but yeah. So I'm going to use this blue. I like because it's not over pigmented, so it's pretty good to just be able to blend out with other blues and stuff like that. So let's get started with that, and just very softly put that in the crease. And we're gonna spend quite a bit of time on this step. So while I'm editing, I'm probably going to just cut out some parts of this and or speed it up, whatever. I think we're there. So just I want to blend it out a little bit near the brow bone, just so it has more of a natural transition. Perfect. And then I'm going to grab, I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna grab this kind of like a different blue and put that really just in the crease softly. It doesn't really matter if you get some on the lid, because we are going to cut the crease in a bit. Okay. Then I'm going to grab this palette by Profusion. It's called Eyes. And if you can find something similar like it, these are two colors I'm going to use, Azure and Atlantic. And I'm going to grab a Morphe M139. And I'm just going to dip into this lighter blue and just a hint of the Atlantic. And I'm really gonna blend that in there as well. But really try to keep it into the crease. Just a little bit. Because later we're gonna put another color there as well. But just to darken that corner up a bit. Same with the other side. That's what it looks like. I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of that light blue shade here. A little bit more on the outside, just to have more color going on there. Okay, so now we are going to cut the crease. So I'm just gonna put a line here. So I want that thing go to about here. I'm just gonna look up. There we go. We have a little line. And the same on this side. Look up. There we go. We have a line. And now we can fill that all in. There we go. Allow that to dry just a tad before we continue. So, because after that we are going on with this liquid eyeshadow by Santé metallic eyeshadow cream in the color. Oh yeah, there it is. 01. So, yeah, 01, because this is 04. We know what to use this one. It's also a pretty color though. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and apply that on top and kind of just go over the concealer with this. Okay, it's a bit crazy right now, but that's not the end of it, so no worries. I'm going to get some loose powder. This is by Bare Minerals, the color Queen Phyllis. It's very messy, but it's very effective. So I'm going to grab some here and just spray it with some setting spray. and apply it on top of that gold eyeshadow. Then I would like to go into this Dark Magic palette again by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I mean, this is what it looks like. And I think I'm gonna grab this brush here. And I'm gonna grab this one. It's called Busted. And just put it in the corner here. And this is a color that we're gonna use to kind of blend this all together so it looks nice and not so, you know, shaped. You want to look more natural. When you're finished with this corner here, you'll try to carefully blend out that line between the blue and the gold. Very carefully. At this point, it's really just kind of trying to perfect what you already have. Just so it looks natural, right? So I feel like I have to fix this. It's got a little bit too much blue here. Okay, that's it. For the eyeshadow, anyway. Then I'm going to grab this Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner in color Navy Shock. And just in a winged line. So that's that. So now we can take off the washi tape. There we go. And kind of brush away all that fallout. It's actually not that bad. There we go. So now let's do the foundation and stuff like that. Alright, I'm back. So we're going to now do the under eye. So I'm gonna get a little angled brush here, just like that, and I'm going to grab that color that I grabbed from the Morphe palette, and it's called Busted. I'm just gonna smudge that. Then I'm going to get a little bit of this gold here, I think. I'm gonna do that, yeah. This is a Mischiefy highlighter palette. So just kind of like stamp it into my inner corner. I'm going to also apply some lashes today because I'm that extra. So then the last step is put put some mascara on. This is the Total Temptation by Maybelline. Last step will be lips. Oh, we already have quite a dramatic eye going on, so we're not gonna go crazy on the lips. I'm just gonna apply some of this CoverGirl Lip Perfection lip balm. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this Essence Nude Love in the middle. And then top it with some lip gloss, also by Essence, in the color Life is Sweet. So yeah, this is the look. So yeah, I hope you guys like this, and if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell button. Any suggestions for future videos are always welcome in the comments, and hope to see you back in the next video. Bye guys.